Remember the classic look? The Windows XP Taskbar. Simple, clean, and full of nostalgia. In today's video, I'll show you how to bring that iconic XP-style taskbar right to Windows 11, quickly and easily. No complicated setups, no registry hacks, just pure XP vibes in minutes. Let's get started. There are a couple of ways to do this, but the easiest is using Windhawk. It's a safe and popular customization tool that lets you tweak Windows behavior without replacing system files. Head over to windhawk.net, download it, and install it. The process is straightforward. You may just follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, open Windhawk. Inside, you'll see a list of mods. Think of them like plugins for Windows. Search for Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. You'll find a mod specifically designed to replicate the look and behavior of the classic XP taskbar. Just like that, your Windows 11 taskbar transforms into the nostalgic Windows XP version. You'll get the blue bar, the classic start button, and even the familiar layout we all grew up with. You can customize it further too if you want that early XP feel. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Windows customization tips.